We won't be measuring the snow tomorrow, but we'll be measuring, it sounds like anyway, Michelle, the rain in inches, perhaps.
Yeah, we could see around an inch of rain in some spots, maybe even isolated higher totals. So it's going to be another good soaking rain for us. Unfortunately, coinciding with Thanksgiving this year. As we look down in Narragansett right now, just a lot of cloud cover around. Radars trying to pick up on a couple of sprinkles, perhaps trying to approach the shoreline right now. Nothing serious for you if you have traveling to do or running some last minute errands today. Your threat tracker for Thursday, though, I do want to give you the heads up about the off and on rain, the potential for some downpours, and even some embedded thunderstorms. And we do have the potential for some moderate to heavy rainfall at times that could lead to some street flooding or some poor drainage flooding. It would be localized and brief, but that is something we'll be tracking tomorrow. I was showing you those temperature contrasts here. We've climbed into the 50s at the coastline, still in the 40s further inland. Winds, as they've turned to the south and picked up along the shore, have started to transport in that milder air, and we're starting now to see that wind shift to the south in places like Smithfield and Taunton too. So I expect the temperatures to warm up. This is through 3 o'clock in the afternoon, climbing into the lower to middle 50s and then staying very mild this evening and into the overnight hours tonight. We'll have a lot of clouds with it and a couple of sprinkles, but in a mild evening and a mainly dry one for us right into 10, 11 o'clock tonight and the pre-dawn hours of Thursday. Thursday is going to be a very warm day as the temperatures climb into the upper 50s to around 60 degrees, but it does come tomorrow, Thanksgiving, with some rainfall. Up to the north, they've picked up a little bit of snow in northern New England, some light flurries continuing there. Our evening hours looking at an isolated shower or sprinkle, temperatures upper 40s early on. Most of the rain is going to hold off until very late tonight or even tomorrow morning and arrive first in the western parts of our area and then spread inland from there. Let's widen out the view again and show you that storm system. This is the same one that brought the severe weather to Texas, now moving across Louisiana. Low pressure across the Midwest, bringing rain to Chicago today, and then that's going to be pushing north and east and eventually redeveloping right over us here in southern New England. So that's going to keep the rain going as we head through most of the day Thursday. So this is 7 a.m. tomorrow morning. Waking up, turning on the oven, temperatures in the 50s. The heaviest rain starts to push in through the morning, and around midday we're going to be seeing the potential for that heavy rain and thunder, and it'll linger most of the afternoon and even early evening hours. Then as the evening goes on, that looks to push offshore with some drier weather returning. Here's a look at some rainfall totals, and this is through Thursday night. On either side of an inch of rain, and again some isolated higher totals. The temperature is very mild though through the day in the upper 50s to near 60. In the 7-day forecast, once we get through that storm system on Thanksgiving, we're mainly dry for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, trending a little cooler as the weekend wears on. I want to give you a heads up about Monday into Tuesday. Another storm system. This one could bring heavy rain and thunder, potential for some strong wind gusts, so we'll have to watch for some power outages. I definitely check back in with us over the weekend for more updates on that system.